Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 926, and today's topic is the manufacture of organic fungicide, or we can call fumigants. In previous lecture I have already discussed about the manufacture of inorganic fungicides. This organic fungicide, the first organic chemical which was successfully manufactured against fungi was formalin, and formalin is 40% solution of formaldehyde, and this was the first organic fumigant as well as fungicide. Fumigant means it is volatile, so against fungus growth it was used, and it is effective against seeds, some other fungal growth. Then later on, the most important antifungal chemicals were, that is Formamate, and different derivatives of these dithiocarbamates are manufactured and they are used, and recently some more organic aromatic derivatives are also manufactured as organic fungicide. And this dithiocarbamate is actually manufactured starting from carbon disulfide to sulfur we are getting from carbon disulfide, and it is treated with amine and then sodium hydroxide. So in this way we will get the sodium salt of this dithiocarbamate, and also dithiopharmatic acid, it will be converted into the sodium salt, and they are very effective fungicide. So nowadays, apart from dithiocarbamate, some organic synthetic fungicides are also available, and mostly they are the derivatives are quinone, phenol, and they are chlorinated. So different carbamate derivatives as well as aromatic, that is phenolic and quinone, chlorinated derivatives are also nowadays available. So here number one, dithiocarbamate, chlorinated quinones, chlorinated phenols, glycine derivatives and mercury compounds have widely been used as organic fungicides nowadays. Number two, next to sulfur, nitrogen is probably the effective constituent element of organic fungicides. Actually, sulfur is the most important element, and after sulfur, the next most important element in fungicide is nitrogen, other than carbon and hydrogen. That is your formalin is the first fungicide was synthesized, manufactured, and it is your 40% formaldehyde, and that is in water. So formalin is your 40% solution of SCHO, means formaldehyde in water, is the first successful organic fungicide used as fumigant, because this formalin is volatile, so it can be used as a fumigant for seeds, oil and greenhouses because of its volatile nature. Number three, dithiocarbamates. What are the different derivatives of dithiocarbamate? Di means two, thio means sulfur. So sulfur content is a very important constituent in fungicide, and next to sulfur is nitrogen. So they are widely used fungicides and can be manufactured by treating carbon sulfide with an amine to form dithiocarbamic acid, which on treatment with sodium hydroxide gives sodium salt, and the sodium salts of ethylene bid-dithiocarbamate is used with zinc sulfate and calcium oxide, that is ZnSO4 and CaO, and these salts are used to combat vegetable blights, particularly potatoes and tomatoes. The reaction is given here. This is your amine H2NCH2 CH2NH2 plus 2CH2 means it is carbon disulfide, and when it is treated with 2 molecules of sodium hydroxide, it will be converted into salt, and this salt is NaHCS NH CH2 CH2 NH CSS Na plus H2O, and this is your sodium salt of ethylene bis-dicarbamate, and these two derivatives are given ROCO and RR1. Then second one is ROCS. In one case it is oxygen, and in this case it is sulfur, and here R1 is representing CH3 and R2 is representing H, and in this way these different derivatives of dithiocarbamates are also manufactured. So the next organic insecticide is that is called number 4 bygone. Bygone, it is the 2-isopropoxyphenyl N-methyl carbamate, and it can be manufactured by reaction of methyl carbonyl chloride or methyl isocyanate with 2-isopropoxyphenol. So it is 2-oxypropoxyphenol, and it is treated with methyl carbamyl chloride, and you will get bygone. This is the with aromatic ring. Bygone can also be manufactured by the reaction of di-isopropoxyphenol carbonate with methyl amine. Bygone is white solid, soluble in polar solvents. It is mainly used for the control of agriculture pests, household insects, and other harmful insects as a broad spectrum insecticide. Number 5, termic. It is 2-methyl-thio. It is a 2 carbon. So 2-methyl and then 2-methyl. If at carbon 2, for example, here, and 2 methyl groups are there, so it will be known as carbon, that is 2-methyl and then 2-methyl. That's why this is the meaning of 2-methyl. 2-methyl means at carbon 2, 2 methyl groups are linked. So it is 2-methyl-thio propanol oxime ON methyl carbamate, and can be manufactured by the reaction of corresponding oxime with methyl isocyanate. So this reaction is given methyl isocyanate, and this is your oxime, and then with this combination you will get this structure that is called termic. So with this termic and background manufacturing of organic fungicide, I will stop and I will continue. There are some more organic fungicide. So thank you very much for watching the lecture.